The Great Candy War. The sound of battle echoed through the land as the plants and zombies clashed in a great fight for control of the candy. For years, the zombies had been the ones who held the candy in their grasp, enjoying its sweet taste and keeping it away from any other creature who sought to enjoy it. But that all changed when the plants decided to take a stand. Led by a brave sunflower, they marched in hordes to reclaim the candy that was rightfully theirs. The zombies were taken by surprise, and so the plants had the upper hand in the battle. The plants fought hard and long, using their roots to pull up the candy from the ground and their leaves to swat away the zombies. They were relentless, and soon the zombies were retreating, unable to stand up to the plants' strength. As the zombies retreated, the plants cheered, having finally taken back the candy that had been taken from them. The plants celebrated their victory, but the zombies had a plan. They snuck back in the night and stole the candy right back from the plants. The plants were in shock, and they could do nothing to stop the zombies from taking back the candy. The plants were furious and quickly called a meeting. They needed to come up with a plan to get the candy back. After much discussion, they decided to use their roots to dig deep underground and sneak up on the zombies from beneath. The plants dug for days, and when they finally reached the surface, they found the zombies feasting on the candy they had stolen. The plants were outraged and attacked the zombies with their leaves and roots. The zombies were taken by surprise and were soon retreating back into the night. The plants cheered with joy as they watched the zombies run away, and they quickly grabbed the candy and ran off with it. They had won the Great Candy War. The plants celebrated their victory and shared the candy amongst themselves. From then on, the plants and zombies lived in peace, never again fighting over the candy. The plants kept the candy in a secret location, hidden away from the zombies. They used it only when necessary, and when they did, they shared it amongst themselves. The plants and zombies now live in harmony, neither one ever trying to take the candy away from the other. They both know that the Great Candy War taught them a valuable lesson, that fighting is never the answer.